my name is Annalise, and this is Sherp. I got him at SeaWorld. In my other video, you might want to check that out if you want. You don't really have to, but you can if you want. So, today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a never-ending card. I don't really have an example here, but we're going to make it together. And I'm going to make a lot because, no, I'll tell you later. So, right here, we have this paper that we're going to use. Oh, I probably should tell you the supplies that we're going to use. So we have paper, scissors, and anything you want to decorate it. And I have a bunch of these pens that I got from my sister because I do not have colored pens. I probably should get that because I'm probably going to need a lot of pens. Okay, we should probably get this started. So, right here we have a rectangle, which is bad because we need it to be a square. But there's a simple solution for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to get one of the ends at the top and fold it till it reaches the other side. I'm going to do it slowly and steady. Make sure that the creases are really good and crisp. Ooh, wow. You know what? That was pretty good. Now we're just going to cut this little part off. Okay, I'll just put this right here. Okay, so now we have this triangle. And if we open it, boom, a square. Whoa. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is we're going to fold it in half. Like this. Make sure that all of your creases are really nice. And if you want to make it look nice, you don't really have to. It's just that I want to make this one look at least nice while the other ones look really terrible. Like at least the one that I'm making on video to actually look kind of nice. So I'm just going to take these edges and put it to the middle like I did on the other side when I was talking and not explaining at all. So now we have this. So there's 4 equal pieces. So we're going to do that again, but on the other side. So we're going to fold this in half, and we're going to fold these also in half. Well, not really in half, kind of to the middle. It's still kind of in half. So now we have these bunch of squares. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I probably could have counted that better, faster, but I ain't good at math. So, now that we have this, we're going to fold it back in half. And we're going to get our scissors, and we're going to cut out this middle part. So it's going to be like, bah! Yeah, let's pretend that that looks kind of good. Okay, so now that we open it up, we have this huge square in the middle. Oh my gosh, this part's going to be so hard, so make sure you pay attention. So, we're going to fold this one, top one down. We're going to flip it. We're going to fold this one down. We flip it. And we're going to keep doing this until we go to all sides. Okay, now we're going to flip it all around. So we have this little flap out here that has 2 of them. Okay, this is the part that I have so much trouble with, so I'm sorry if I do it wrong. Oh, I'm supposed to be teaching you, but I can't do it that right. So we're going to get this part like a triangle. Push this part all the way in, making sure that there's a square under there, and we fold this part in. Make sure that you did not do what I did and it's really badly folded there. Okay, so now I have this, which I hope is right, and we're gonna check out if it's good or not. So what we're gonna do is gonna fold this. We have to make sure that it can keep going forever. See? It's going so far. It's going so far. And I've done it correctly. Oh, wait. There you go. See? We've done it. It's not that hard. And it just keeps going. Where did the beginning go? I need to find the start. This one. This is the beginning one, I think. Please don't fold in random spots. Okay. Wait, no, this isn't the beginning. It's this one. Yeah. So, now we're at the beginning, and now we can start decorating. You don't really have to copy me for this one, but I'm gonna... Oh, I was supposed to explain what I was gonna do on this. So, I'm gonna make like 20 of these for this event that my school is doing. It's called Freshman Day, and what they're gonna do is gonna have this whole day where freshmen get to have fun because we didn't really get to have this year because we're kind of doing virtual because of this thing called COVID. I'm not sure if you heard, but it really sucks. and I couldn't go to school in person. Except for last week, when we finally was able to go in school in person. And so, they're having this freshman day. And I plan to make this video so I can make a bunch of crafts for this day and give them out to people. I'm actually not sure if that's allowed, but I'm still gonna do it. And if it looks bad, too bad, because I spent way too long making this video. Okay, we probably could time-lapse this part right now. Yeah, we'll time-lapse it because I do not want you guys to see how much I suffer trying to decorate this. Okay, so time-lapse time. Whoop! Welcome back from the time-lapse thingy. So now, I have finally finished my never-ending card. So, here it looks like. So here's me flipping through each page. Yeah, it's still pretty cool. We didn't use any glue, no tape, just scissors, and a lot of pens and paper. But, I gotta make like 19 more of these, so whoa, that took way too long. I spent like maybe 3 hours making 5 of these. Like, what? You know what, I'm just gonna stick with 5. I know I was gonna make 20, but that's way too much work, and this is literally all I have, man. Just this. So here's the first one that we made. Yeah, you've seen this one. And this is the second one. I put them on starting on different ones so you could read it when they're all put out together. Yeah. I think like the more I made, the more bad quality they became. So oh, look, my name is Nancy. Okay. Well, that's how you make the never-ending card. And I hope you liked the video, and maybe you learned something. If you didn't, I can understand. It was, I am so bad at explaining, but that's it. And yeah, I guess it's time to go now. So, bye, say bye, sir. Bye. Bye.